napapansin nyo guys, gabi na. Pero bukas pa rin sila, di ba? Ducati Manila. Nadala ako ditong cake. This is purple cake. Hoy, Hypermotor do. Pag binigay natin ng cake si Boss Toti, bibigyan kaya tayo ng bagong motor. Boss.
Sir,
Hi,
good
hi.
evening po.
Good evening,
Tawagin
sir.
ko po si Sir Randy.
Sige
Sila
po.
Boss Tony.
Sige. Ganda nito oh. Wow.
EDX.
Wow. Parang ito yung gusto kong tignan, sir eh. Ganda nito ah.
How are you?
I'm
How
good,
are you,
I'm
Boss
good.
Idol, Boss Idol.
I'm good.
Ito, ready na ang iyong Desert X.
Is that my bike?
Desmo 450.
At this is my bike also?
Oh, buy one, take one pa naman yan.
Buy one, take one talaga? O if I buy this one, I will take this one?
Yo, you have to take this one.
Patay tayo dyan.
Kailangan.
Sarap naman, buy one, take one to.
Oh, buy one. You buy
Well,
that.
how much this?
This is 800,000. This is the EDX version cross country. So,
Okay.
difference niya with the MX version, softer suspension.
Enduro to.
Oh,
Ganda, bro.
Ibang sanay ka naman dyan, expert ka naman talaga sa mga...
Hindi naman expert, nakakaintindi lang. Gundo, oh. Akrapovic pa oh. Kasama na to. Wow. Ito.
That's an upgrade.
Titanium siya, no?
Akrapovic.
Ilan ang unit na dumating? Meron pa bang available?
Meron. Tapos 18 inches to
Mhm.
versus the 19 inches doon sa MX.
Enduro, mas mababa.
Is 8.5 liters versus the MX na 7.5. Ito 8.5 to kasi...
Mas malaki, no?
Gearing, of course, iba.
Ganda, bro.
So this is a demo bike.
Pero may stock tayo in case.
Of course.
Asan yung MX nyo?
Wala, nasa likod. Ang difference din ng cross country, merong stand.
Oo, yung maganda, may stand. 50k difference lang, eh, no?
30. 70 yung MX, tapos 800 ito.
770 yung MX.
Yung MX.
Wow. First Ducati Enduro bike, no?
First Ducati Enduro bike. Tapos magkakaroon tayo ng racing edition. Within the year also, yun yung factory edition.
Factory edition. Good evening, boss. Boss, buy one, take one daw.
Pwede.
This would be my next bike. So next trail natin, gagamitin natin yan. At pagkatapos, ito. Salamat, Ducati Manila. Ducati Philippines, thank you.